Okay, go. Jacob, give more food. Here's the food. Here, give it to them.
In the?
Give it to the mouth. Put it in their mouth. What is that? It's a small goat or something. I don't know. Yeah, here. Here. Yay! You can pet it also.
Hey, yeah.
Yeah, look. There's the mommy. Cool. Jacob, here, last.
Hey.
You get the green and then you give it to him. Let him eat it. The leaves. He likes to eat leaves.